welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another test and trial kind of a video today, so let's get started. So when I was searching for remedies for eyelashes growth and all of it, this one thing was coming up everywhere and I just kind of realized it was trending, and that is Vaseline. I don't know why, but people have a lot of hype about it, that it really helps you make your eyelashes grow very thicker and longer. So let me just try it out. So I'm going to be applying Vaseline for my eyelashes for a week, 7 days, and let's see if it really makes my eyelashes grow. Today's day 1, so you can take Vaseline or any petroleum jelly. So take very, I don't know if so take very less amount. So take very less amount on both your fingers. Just rub your fingers a little so that it kind of becomes warm, and just apply it to your eyelashes. It's better to apply with your fingers because when you have mascara's wand, you tend to scoop a lot of Vaseline, and when you're applying it, too much of it is applied on your eyelashes. So also, like you're sleeping after this. So I'm going to be leaving it overnight. So as you're going to leave it on your eyelashes, overnight, it's not really good if you have a lot of Vaseline. It may even go inside your eyes. So yeah, I just apply. I mean, I agree for a fact it can be like a hack when you don't have mascara, but I am not sure if it will really make your eyelashes grow. So that's it for day 1. So I'm just going to leave it overnight, and probably the rest of our Vaseline you can apply on your lips. Just kidding. I will see you tomorrow. Good night. Hey guys, it's day 2. Yeah, I've done applying. So that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, it's day 3. Okay, done day 3. Good night. Bye. I will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's day 4. Okay, done. Can you see any difference? Like, I don't know. I just feel like 0.1% probably yes. But I'm still not sure. I'm sorry. Oh my god, look at my eyes. It's probably too late and I'm supposed to sleep. Do you see any eyelash growth? I just feel it's like 0.1%. Anyways, I will see you tomorrow. Good night and bye. Hey guys, it's day 5. Yeah, day 5 done. I feel it is growing, but it's not like major. I feel obviously I will realize it once I by the end. Today is day 5, 2 more days, and only when I'm kind of keeping the before and after I will realize the actual difference. Okay, day 5 done. That's it for day 5. Just 2 more days and almost this challenge is coming to an end. Let's see. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. Good night and bye. Hey guys, it's day 6. Okay, anyways, I will see you tomorrow. Good night and bye. Hey guys, it's day 7. It's the last day. Okay, I have applied. So I'm gonna be giving the review tomorrow morning so that it's like 1 week is completed. So I really hope something happens overnight, but as of now, anyways, I will see you tomorrow morning. So good night and bye. Hey guys, it's the next day. I'm sorry I am sounding a little like guinea pig because of the cold, and I might look also a little like, right? But anyways, putting that aside and coming back to the topic, finally this challenge is done. This is my eyelashes after the challenge. So I will attach before and after image so that you can get a reference how it was and how it is right now.
After all of this, I just wanted to know like what and why Vaseline actually makes your hair grow. The work it does is it actually locks moisture. Okay, so how much of a moisturizer we use for our skin, that's not really gets used for eyelashes, right? So that's one big thing. Like how your hair naturally grows longer, your eyelashes cannot grow naturally long because there's no moisture lock. So when you are applying Vaseline, it locks moisture and it lets your eyelashes grow naturally. Also, I just forgot to tell you that I don't have any makeup on and I don't have any mascara on. I've just applied a little of Vaseline because when I took the before photo, I already applied Vaseline. So I just wanted to make sure that that's how, this is how it looks when you apply Vaseline. So I've not applied any mascara, so I just wanted to let you know that, just in case if you had that question in your mind. So when there's moisture lock and it's allowing your natural eyelashes to grow naturally long or the way naturally it should do. I don't know if you can see, but when you start applying Vaseline, your eyelashes look very long, but they don't look thicker, they just look full. So if you want very thick eyelashes, then I don't think this method is for you, because Vaseline does not make your eyelashes grow thicker, but it makes your eyelashes look longer and fuller. And yeah, naturally it lets your eyelashes grow. So if you're a person who generally has kind of okay eyelashes and you just want them to kind of give them a little nourishment, then Vaseline is for you. But if you're a person generally or naturally who has very less eyelashes, then this method is not for you. I will do another video for eyelash remedy where you want thicker and longer eyelashes. Last tip I would like to give: if you're going out tomorrow and you want your eyelashes to look very long, just apply Vaseline the previous nights for 3 days so that the moisture gets locked and naturally you have eyelashes looking very long and full. So that once you apply mascara, it looks naturally very long and thick. So this method is more of a hack than a remedy. I hope this video helps you, but still you can still give it a try and know how Vaseline actually helps your eyelashes. That's it for today's video. I hope this video helps you. As I said, this Vaseline is more of like a hack. Yes, it also helps you moisturize your eyelashes, but it does not really actually make your eyelashes grow very thicker and longer, but instead it locks moisture and lets your eyelashes grow naturally, which is a good thing. You can try this as a hack if you have an event or anything coming up in the next 3 days so that you can apply mascara and your eyes will look very beautiful. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can stay tuned on all the upcoming videos I post in the future, and this really means a lot to me. Also, let me know in the comments down below what other kind of videos you want me to try or anything. Just let me down in the comment section below. I will make sure I do those videos and post them. So yeah, please share it with anybody and everybody whom you think this video will help. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.